I'm standing here with two of my colleagues at Apex in San Diego to learn more about the Hermes Initiative. Håkan was newly appointed the chairman of the Hermes Initiative. Could you tell us a little bit more about what this initiative is all about?
Started about 3 years ago. We have decided to make a next generation of a SMIMA board transport protocol. This is important to have a new digital interaction with both the boards and all the data. Together with 60 companies, we have now released the third version of the standard, integrating a lot of new functionality based on the experiences from the different companies.
Okay. And Mattias, you're a product manager for SMT equipment. Could you tell us what the Hermes Initiative means for you?
Well, I would say that Hermes will enable a much higher degree of automation in an SMT line. It can potentially eliminate many manual operations in the line. And also Hermes will make automation much more affordable. It can potentially eliminate the need of barcode scanners, for example, at various positions in the line. So to summarize, you can say that Hermes is one of the key building blocks in an intelligent factory.
Interesting. Håkan and Mattias, thank you for sharing.